generate some lather with the Chicago Shave Nation Artisan shaving bowl. Very hefty, very sturdy. It weighs about a pound. It has lather lines raised on the inside and a little swirl at the bottom. This is the depression where you fill it with shaving cream or soap. Here's the Shave Nation logo on a block fastened to the outside. These are all made by hand in Chicago, Illinois, USA. The pedestal at the bottom, you can hold it this way or place your thumb on the block for extra grip. Let's warm it up. A little hot water. We'll use Perazzo, one of the most popular. Just squirt a little bit in the bottom, just a small dollop. Here's our brush. Wet it under the hot water and get to lathering. In just a few seconds, lots of lather coming up around the sides. Just scoop it around, drive it back in. More than enough lather for 2 or 3 passes for sure.